Muri Zimbabwe kusangana zvakare kwatiri kuita panapa News Live zvatiri kuona kuti aiwa vanhu vari kubatikana nekurwadziwa pamusoro pekuona kuti why is it the African Union aiwa pamwe chete nethe SADC block they are neglecting the issue yekuMozambique. Vari kuuya vachibvunza maquestions ari kungoenda asina maanswers vachiti why is it vanhu vari kungotarisa the next do idi Mnangagwa the SADC chairman aiwa vanongopa macondolences but they are not putting resolutions to the issue. Sana pina mashoko ambanyi panapa lumba subscribe or like on the bell iko timina paendo na majira jeros ambanyi rachidi forget about the useless SADC organization. But why is African Union silent when the SADC chairman Idi Mnangagwa, who led a military coup in 2017 in Zimbabwe, is encouraging and supporting the Frelimo government in Mozambique to kill its innocent citizens and overtake pamwechete nana United Nations. Ndo mashoko tikona naito kana majara jara tona ma citizens vanouya vachipindura vachiti what about Israel killing Palestinians? The same UN human rights organ doing anything? Because they know who sponsors Western purpose and how they've experienced it themselves. Majara Jero Sankina Jakarta Mashkachita that Israel is killing Palestinians cannot stop me from raising concerns over the wanton murder of Mozambique citizens by Frelimo government, taking orders from the brutal ruling party ZANU-PF government in Zimbabwe, whose despot is the chair of SADC. Tomashoko Nobuda Togo Panapa, never to not ever. Each and everyone is concerned about the issue our human scaling irritical Mozambique. To the Mafundo anywhere to leave Mamsalo Chit with each. In a comment section, so subscribe or like and turn the bell icon.